Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave.
Oh my god guys, we're back to Cas Abao, and it's really a good decision that we decided to come back here because today it's really laid back, less people, and you can really see the real color of the water. The last time we were here it was cloudy and so crowded. As you can see, sunbeds are empty, almost empty. I'm so happy that we are back here. So we're just gonna look for a spot to lay down. Found a perfect spot right here. Beach cat. Normally they only afraid. They have more stray dogs here than stray cats.
Gesicht ist böse.
Wow. We got rain water. Look at the water. And our Curacao trip, right? So nice.
Sarap.
Yeah. Oh. This beach was voted one of the 21 best beaches of the world by the National Geographic. So we're done swimming. We gonna grab some snacks before we will move on to our next beach for today. There's also a massage. Seriously, I don't want to leave this place here.
It's amazing.
What?
Amazing.
Amazing, right?
Amazing.
So, what did you order?
Hamburger.
With fries, and then I ordered hot dog, iced coffee. This is so yum. And then just cola, coke. Good, right?
Sarap.
Amazing view. So that's $4, and then hamburger with fries,
$8.
$8.
It's okay.
But the view is amazing. Let's eat. Somebody wants to join you. Huh? Give mal. No.
We can promise.
There's a very nice view here. We have to stop by and check it out because it looks so amazing. So here's the view. Oh, that restaurant over there is so cool. It Must be so nice here to watch the sunset while having dinner. Playa Kalki is somewhere there. It's about 2 or 3 kilometers away from here. We just stopped by to check the view. And I also saw some like guys doing some cliff jumping here. There. Also another restaurant. Oh, nice, right?
There's a
What?
pelican.
Pelican. And there's small boats. I think that's like a fishing village. Guys, we've made it here at Playa Kalki. There's only limited parking space here, so you have to be early. Going down. Perfect spot. It's so nice, like I cannot get over again. It's really beautiful. It's so Instagrammable here, and this beach here is also not so crowded. It's weekend and it's almost empty. One of our favorite beaches here. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's so nice, and there are a lot of fish, and we're just gonna wait here until sunset. Swimming and snorkeling done for today, and we're just checking here on the other side. It's like a diving part of this beach. So quiet here, right? That's where we were swimming and went snorkeling earlier. There's actually a lot of other beaches nearby. There's this beach that you can go swimming with the turtles.
Pescadera.
Playa Pescadera, is that? Unfortunately, we cannot make it there today. Just waiting for sunset, and then we were planning to go for a dinner there, like one of the restaurants on the cliff. And we decided to go on a little road trip here. There's a place called Watamula. There's a lighthouse too. And yeah, while waiting for the sunset, why not to go on a little road trip here? And there's really nice spot here with so many cactuses. beach, which I don't know the name, but it's just like nearby. Ah, this is the beach with turtles. What's the name again? Pescado. Not Turtle Beach. Oh, smells so good here. The sun is going down now. The golden hour just started. So we'll go to that restaurant there. I'm hungry, honey. So we're back to Playa Forte, and then we'll go to that restaurant here. We will be eating here in this restaurant. It's really cool spot though. Yeah.
Please wait to be seated.
The most wait to be our. Nice view. So I just ordered a cocktail called Playa Forte Signature, and it's 10 and 50 cents guilder. So it's about $5 US. So the prices are like pretty much similar to the other restaurants where we went to. Then these are their food choices here.
Not local dishes.
Yeah. Where are the local dishes? Here. Okay. Oh God, such a lovely view here, Honig. Here's my cocktail, and he got a local beer called, what is this? Brasa. Oh, such $1 million view here. Good? This is also really good. You have to try it. Try it.
Curacao blue.
Yeah.
Good.
Right? It's not so sweet, just enough. Got ceviche for appetizer. Smells so good. Here's my goat stew with plain rice and some salad, and they also put some plantain. And let's see how Curacao burrito tastes like. It's chicken burrito, right? Okay. Bon appetit!